doing a color changing thing, and it is going to look very beautiful at the end. It's gonna say I love you, Mom, with a whole bunch of colors. And this is how you make it. So first, I just scrolled around. I don't know why I was doing that. Then I tried to find a color, and the more you go closer of the colors, the more lighter it gets and turns to a different color. Anyway, so yeah. And yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just like looking for a color. And now I'm starting to draw, and this is how you draw. First you just do a straight line, and go back to colors, just hit the dot as color, and then do another line, and then take another color, as I'm doing right now, and do another line. And also do another line, and do another line. Just keep doing lines and lines and lines, but doing different colors. That's how you just do it. So easy. I mean, it's so easy. And then I'm doing the bottom of the eye to finish the eye, I think. Wait, I'm drawing though. Oh, wait, you. Why did I think I was drawing that? Anyway, now I'm making the V, and I just did one line, halfway of the line, and now I get to choose one more color, so I don't have to choose two, because I don't want two colors. No way. So I'm just doing 3. Yeah, I'm doing 3 colors. And yeah, so I added one more color now, and so after I added one more color, I basically added another letter, and then I went to a different color, and I added the E. So I basically had one line green, one line red, and I did the other line orange, tannish. I did the last one green, it's yellowish. And then I started to make the actual letters, like, so now I'm doing Y-O-U. I'm doing the Y, both U, both yellow I meant. And yeah, so I am just doing this so that I will have color like a mermaid. Try to make it look like a mermaid, but I couldn't blend, so I forgot about blending. If you hit that finger, that blends it anyway. I'm probably stopping that in that video. Right now, though. And yeah, so right now I'm just doing the letters, and now I'm trying to focus on the U. It's funny. And it just looks like, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Baby. And now I'm spelling the letter M-O-M, Mom, if you don't know. And yeah, so I'm spelling the letter Mom right now. And I'm doing different colors. I have to do 4 for some reason. I don't know why it is so, I just don't know. It's just so yellow. Look how yellow that Y is. I don't know why it's so many. Just like, I messed up. So I'm going to delete with the back arrow. If you hit the back arrow, you can delete. And that one was too wide. This one's too skinny. And then as well, so now I'm going to get it perfect. There you go. The top's a little messed up, but that's okay. Anyway. And then I have to do the last M. And the last M is so important to me, because I don't really want to mess up on the last M. And on this lesson, I want to make it look like, not like the bright other end, because I don't want mine to look like cute pajamas. I like cute stuff. And so now I'm going for a very light pink, and I'm just doing a line at the top, just like I'm doing right now. And I'm going for the last line, and I'm doing a line green. And I am done, and now I'm taking a screenshot with a picture so I can remember it. And yeah, so that was my tutorial. Bye.